So this is the copied document, page 1 and page 2. We're going to show you how to copy a legal size document on the HP Envy Inspire 7955E printer. So in order to copy legal size document, we need to ensure that the input tray is loaded with legal size paper. So let's open the input tray, push back the photo tray and remove whatever paper that is inside the main tray itself. So this is actually A4 paper. In order to load legal size paper, you need to unlatch the main tray itself. So over here it states 8.5 by 14 inch, which is the size for legal paper. So unlatch it and take a stack of legal size media and load it in as shown. Push back the main tray. Tap on main tray. Tap on paper size. We need to select legal. Select done and OK. Next, this is a 2-page legal size document that we want to copy. Now, do take note that the legal size document can only go into the ADF, as the flatbed scanner does not support legal size copy. So we'll load it into the ADF. Once that is done, select copy. Select document. So we are copying one-sided to one-sided. Select copy. So this is the copied document, page 1 and page 2. And this is the original document, page 1 and page 2. And so, this is how you copy a legal size document on your HP Envy Inspire 7955E printer.